I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production. Soul fire production.
Go ahead.
Say a big thank you to Kevin and Jermaine for the lovely food. Thank you. Thank you. For the QA team. Thank you very much. Thank you. Hi Kadian and Jermaine, just want to say a massive thank you for the food today. All my colleagues on the oncology and hematology department, they really appreciate the food. Some of them never eaten Caribbean curry chicken and rice and peas before, and trust me, you walk through the whole entire department on B level and it smells of curry chicken, and they said honestly it's really delicious. So a big thank you guys, and continue to do the good work that you're doing. May God continue to bless you and give you strength to do what you're doing. And obviously, you know, the doctors as well, they're looking forward, and the secretaries and the receptionists, they're looking forward for their food next week. One of the doctor asked me about it, and she said it would be good if you could put your details on it, or if you have a business card to say if they need to, for you guys to cater for them for birthday parties or whatever event. And I think that would be a good thing for you guys to do. So big up the Night's Kitchen and continue to do the good work. All right, God bless you guys. Bye-bye. And I'm here enjoying my food as well. I just finally get a break, so I'm here enjoying it. All right, thank you from the hematology and oncology team. Thumbs up to you guys. All right, thank you. Bye.
I mean, I say, hear me now. This is a soul fire production. Soul fire production.